How to rearrange video clips on your YouCut video editor app. So this basically is, let's say you are working with multiple video clips and perhaps one of these video clips are in the wrong area as part of the timeline. When all your videos are all set here and you notice that you have a video that's not within the area you want it to be, go ahead and long press any one of these video clips like this here, and you'll notice this is going to happen. So let's just say this video here now, the one to the far right, is the one that you actually want at the beginning. And for some reason you made a mistake and it appeared there. So what you're going to do now is simply hold down on any one of these just to rearrange the order of it. So maybe you wanted this video here to be in the middle and maybe this one to the beginning. So with that said and done, you'll hold it down and release it. And now you'll take the one you want in the beginning by holding it down. Notice how it became with this highlighted orange, and you'll just bring it over to the far left if that's where you want it to be. And then you'll press the check mark and now you'll have that video to the very beginning. Okay, and that's basically it for this guide here. Like and sub.